Boy, your ass stupid, boy. My funny head. Oh shit, what's going on, y'all? What y'all laughing back? Hold on. Hold up, I know damn well this nigga didn't just pull out a flip phone. Oh man. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck that nigga home, bro? That's a flip phone? What the hell? I am flabbergasted. Hello?
Yeah. Will you put that dildo you left on the bed, twin?
Nah, just put it in my bag.
Bet.
I got you.
I try to get it in and fit it in.
I bet.
Alright, boy.
Bye. Mary, what the hell do you have going on in your mind, nigga? Huh? What's the problem, bro? Nigga, do you know what year it is? It is 2023. Nigga, we are in the future. Put that flip phone in the trash can